Burlington Bridge, Hamilton Harbour, Canadian Steamship Lines Niagara coming in. He's actually pushing a little hot for the channel. He must be late. Normally they wouldn't run quite so quick in here. Looks slow on camera, but he's moving along. Yeah, he's doing probably 8 knots, 10 miles an hour, maybe better. See the water start evacuating due to his displacement out of the harbor. Again, you can see the rip down the side here. Sort of giving him an escort here. No, he just probably heading in at the same time. Shift switch or something at the end of the night. They probably do it if they happen to be there. You can see the wash pushing the ship pushing the police boat sideways. He's backing out of his wash somewhere. You can feel it taking control of him.